guys, so this side the holes are really tight. Easy. The holes are really tight, so it's struggling here a little bit. The right side was totally fine. It's just the left side. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another episode. So in this video, I will be replacing the heel plates on my 2019 Ninja ZX6R. So there's nothing wrong with the heel plates, I just don't like them. They're just because they're silver. You can probably see in the video, I mean, bike is overall black, and then here we have the silver piece sticking out. I just don't like it, so I am going to go ahead and replace them. So first, I was looking online for just like black heel plates, but I wasn't able to find anything just because the newer model is a 2019 model. So I'm like, maybe I can just remove them and spray paint them. And I'm like, I don't know, I don't want to do that. So I was able to find this website, I think they're in Canada, and they were selling carbon fiber heel plates. But the problem was, it was pretty much, it says like it'll take them like 2 months or so to make them in carbon fiber, and I'm not sure why it took them so long, just because it's such a small piece, you know. So I don't know, it just took them 2 months or so. I have them now, so it is what it is. I'm happy. So yeah, I'll go ahead and replace them today. What else? Also, I'll see if I can do exhaust clip. A lot of people were messaging me asking for the exhaust clip. I mean, I already have one, and there were people commenting, and also some people messaged me to see if I can do another clip. So I'll go ahead and do the exhaust clip, talking about the exhaust. It's Competition Werkes exhaust. It is really loud. If you're looking for a loud, deep, and nice sound, I would highly recommend Competition Werkes. I like it. It's pretty nice. I hope you enjoyed this video. It should be a quick, simple video. And if you do, please like, share, subscribe. And also people who did subscribe, thank you so much for your support. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Thank you.